All right, I'm gonna get up in here so we can see what we're working with. Yeah, you can just see here all the curb rash is done to it. And then just come look at the back here. Terrible, absolutely terrible. So yeah, we're gonna be polishing, washing, and trying to restore these aluminum tires today. Excuse me, these aluminum wheels. Jeez. All right, let's make it happen. Okay, and we are in position to get the wash going. Let's grab those. Let's go ahead and get this thing a good spray down, yeah. All right, we're gonna come in with this McGuire's all-wheel cleaner. See what it does. And I got this brush for like $5 at Walmart, so hopefully it doesn't fail me too. Let's make sure I'm using this right. Okay, yeah, as I assumed. Let it sit for 2 to 4 minutes. So let's get the spray going. Good. God, that's terrible. All right. Oh, my homie's here. Great. Our man is here. Let's get out the way. All right. Let's get up in here now. Okay. For this wheel, we're actually going to grind it. We're going to sand it out before we pan it. We're going to get a good sand on this one, so let's swipe it down real quick, and then after we sand it, then we're going to come in with our polish. And the only reason why we're sanding it is because we're going to paint it. And the last wheel that we did, where we didn't sand it, we just went straight to painting. It turned out okay, but you can still see the abrasion marks, obviously. So on this one, we're just going to get right to it with the sanding and just see for a comparison how it turns out. Yo. Okay, looks like it's doing this thing. For sure. It's doing this thing, I can tell. Just gotta get a good grip on it. If I can zoom in on it, show you what I'm doing. So, let's try this spot for you guys. Give you guys a good example of what's going on. Okay. Looks like we got a pretty good sanding in all the way around. So after we get our sanding in, we're gonna come in with our polish. All right, now we're gonna come in with our polish. This polish right here is just for aluminum, so say it's applied to a microfiber rag, and then of course do the good old small circles. So that is what we're going to be doing. And if this doesn't work out well, then we're gonna bring out a buffer. All right, let's get to work. Watch out. Before you break that buffer out, go ahead. Hit it. Then we'll come back through with a rag. But this ensures that every little bend on this wheel here is getting touched by this polish. Yeah, it looks great. Let's go and get in the inside here, yeah? Once again, we're gonna use our polish here and get up in the inside of this wheel and see how it looks. Let's spin this around for you. Because man, that boy there is tough. That looks way better inside. Night and day difference, brother. night and day difference. Here, let's get a close up on that so you can see what it looks like. That looks good. Go ahead and follow with this tire wet right here. Now that our wheel's on, let's break out our marker and let's get the drawing. Because you already know what time it is, brother. Bootlegging cars with markers. How nice. Look at that. There's still some spots in here that we gotta get out. But not too bad for the most part. Let's check it out. Not bad. And there you have it, folks. Meguiar's all-wheel cleaner and Mother's aluminum polish. Turned out all right. Here.